Translate the following verbal statement into an algebraic equation and then solve. Roy bought a bookcase on sale for $160, which was 1/2 of the original price. What was the original price of the bookcase? Use P for your variable. Okay. So what we always want to do whenever we come into these kind of word problems, we got to get a formula first for both of the things they're talking about. What are the two things? The sale price and the original price. So the sale price, and that's just $160, just directly $160. It says it right there. And then the original price, and what does it say? Oh, wait. Instead of that, I mean, it is at 160. That's true. But what else does it say? About the sale price, which was 1/2 of the original. It's 1/2 of the original, and it equals 160. There we go. And what's the original price? Well, that's our P, right? How do you know what you want to let P be? Well, whatever they're asking for. What do they want in the end? They want P. So P is, and they're saying, what was the original price? Yeah, there's the question. Yeah, there's the question. The actual part that has the question mark is the actual question, right? And it says, what was the original price? So original price is P. Original price is P. Okay, so now we have to write an equation. Well, did you know we have our equation actually right here? Let me bring this down. 1/2 of original is equals 160, right? It says right there. It's on sale for 160, which was, that's the past tense of is, which means it's our equal sign. That's our equal sign right there. Whenever you find was or is, that's your equal sign. If something is something, then it's equal to. If it was, then it was equal to it, just in the past, right? So 160, the sale price is 160, which was, which equals 1/2 of the original. So 1/2 the original is the sale price of 160. That's what they said. The sale price, 1/2 the original, and it's 160. So 1/2. Now, what is of always? Of is always times or multiply. I'll just do a dot. Of is always multiply. So 1/2 of, and what's the original? P, right here. Original price is P, is 160. So there we go. There's our equation. 1/2 of is times. Remember, of is times 1/2 of the original price is equals 160. So half the original price equals 160. The sale price, in other words. So now we need to, so let's write that up here first off. This is 1/2 times P equals 160. Now, and then we need to solve that for P. So here, let me bring it over here. 1/2 times P equals 160. Put in the wall of separation, and we'll bring it down here. So 1/2. So what do we do when we have fractions? How do we solve a fraction situation? I think you know. You multiply, we're just going to multiply this by the upside down, right? Because that'll cross cancel out that 2, getting P alone. 2 times 160, 320. So P equals 320. The original price is 320. So I solved for P. I got P alone by multiplying by the upside down, and whatever you do to one side, you have to do the same thing to the other. So I don't need the over 1 here because it's not a fraction over there. Right? You with me? To get P alone, you have to get rid of that half. That half is multiplied. You can't subtract the half. It's not added. You have to get rid of it by multiplying. What do you multiply by? The upside down. On both sides, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. Cross cancels, and this is just 1P, which is just P. 2 times 160, 320. It's 320. Now, so you have to enter a times up here. Let me see how that looks on the actual screen here. Let me go to my open math and find that actual item. This is 3.1 lecture question. Program number 5. Yeah, 5. Yeah. Let me see here. How do they want you? So, oh, you can just put it. Yeah, you can just put that. You don't need to put a times dot in there. You can just put it right next to the P like they did. And that'll work out just fine. That's all you need to do. Okay, that's good. That's good. Go back to my iPad here. See, I was wondering, you don't have to put in an actual times dot on this problem. So back here, you could just write 1/2 P equals 160. Because you know, if something is right next to a letter with no symbol in the middle, nothing in the middle, it means times, doesn't it? So you can just put it in like that. So there we go.